Hey guys! Are you want to buy best car spoilers for sporty looks? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car spoilers for sporty looks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Basenor spoiler for Tesla Model Y. The Basenor rear spoiler is a perfect upgrade for 2020 to 2024 Tesla Model Y owners, not compatible with the 2025 Juniper refresh. Engineered using 1:1 modeling, it fits seamlessly with your Model Y's design, offering a factory-like finish. This spoiler isn't just about looks, it enhances aerodynamics by reducing drag and lift, improving both efficiency and high-speed stability. Whether you're cornering or cruising on the highway, you'll notice better traction and control. Installation is quick and hassle-free with included strong adhesive and alignment stickers. The spoiler not only boosts your car's sporty appeal but also contributes to increased range by optimizing airflow. If you want to enhance your Model Y's performance, stability, and style all in one simple addition, the Basenor spoiler is a smart and functional upgrade. Now our second product is Basenor spoiler. This rear spoiler wing is a sleek and stylish upgrade designed specifically for the 2022 to 2025 Honda Civic sedan. Built from high-quality ABS plastic with a reinforced structure, it's both durable and lightweight, perfect for everyday use. Installation is simple with strong self-adhesive backing, no drilling or cutting required. For best results, warm the tape with a hairdryer if temperatures are below 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and avoid water contact for 24 hours after application. It adds a sporty, aerodynamic look that enhances your Civic's personality without compromising structure. Plus, the seller offers a 30-day replacement warranty if the spoiler is damaged during shipping or normal use. Whether you're looking for a subtle styling enhancement or improved rear-end design, this spoiler delivers easy installation, great fitment, and bold visual impact, all at an affordable price. Our third product is a Civic rear trunk spoiler. This MU-style gloss black rear trunk spoiler wing is a perfect fit for 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic 4-door sedans, offering both style and performance. Made from high-quality ABS plastic with a sleek, painted gloss black finish, it serves as a direct replacement for damaged or missing OEM spoilers. The aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance at high speeds, helping to keep your car stable and closer to the road for improved handling and performance. The spoiler comes with all necessary hardware, making installation straightforward, though drilling may be required, and instructions are not included. Whether you're upgrading your Civic's look or replacing a worn spoiler, this wing adds a sportier edge while enhancing high-speed driving dynamics. Durable, stylish, and functional, it's a great addition for anyone wanting to boost their Civic's performance and curb appeal. Now number 4, Civic roof spoiler. This rear roof protector is custom designed for the 2022 to 2025 Ford Maverick, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration. Made from high-quality TPE material, it offers excellent flexibility, durability, and a soft-touch feel without any unpleasant odor. It not only enhances your truck's appearance but also provides practical protection against dirt, scratches, and mud, especially useful when loading items like ladders on the roof. The protector improves the vehicle's stability while driving and keeps the exterior clean and tidy. Installation is hassle-free with strong double-sided tape, no tools required, just clean the surface and stick it on. Easy to maintain, it can be wiped clean or rinsed with water. If you're looking for both function and style, this roof spoiler deflector is a great choice. Responsive after-sales support adds peace of mind to your purchase. And our last choice is Joycourt car rear spoiler. This GM rubber spoiler measures 57.75 inches long and 1.45 inches wide, making it highly flexible and easily cuttable to fit any car, truck, or SUV trunk or roof. Made from premium quality rubber, it boasts a smooth, glossy surface that shines under sunlight, combining flexibility with durable hardness for long-lasting performance. Beyond aesthetics, this spoiler offers comprehensive protection to bumpers, lips, side skirts, and tailgates, helping prevent scratches and minor collisions. It enhances your vehicle's stability, fuel efficiency, and ride quality thanks to its aerodynamic design. Installation is simple and non-invasive, relying on strong double-sided adhesive tape, no drilling required. Just measure, cut, clean, and apply with optional heat for a tighter fit. This spoiler is a stylish, practical upgrade that improves both the look and performance of your car. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.